Not the best morning to argue this matter, my lords.
Why?
Rightly.
Not the best morning.
After the events of,
Best morning to send a message.
No, my lord, but I'm just saying, please look at just see the charge sheet, my lords, for a moment.
Page J. Admitted fact that the inflammatory material was recovered from your house.
There's,
206.
my lords, the only literature that is recovered is Islamic literature against us.
You form a WhatsApp group.
Yes.
You
Yes.
May I please. Not the best morning to argue this matter, my lords.
Why?
rightly.
Not the best morning.
After the events of,
Best morning to send a message.
No, my lord, but I'm just saying, please look at just see the charge sheet, my lords, for a moment.
Page J. Admitted fact that the inflammatory material was recovered from your house.
There's,
206.
my lords, the only literature that is recovered is Islamic literature against us.
You form a WhatsApp group.
Yes.
You a flag almost identical to that of ISIS. What more is wanted?
My lords,
It's a matter of
but
trial.
but that's a question, my lords. There is nothing other than that happened, my lords.
This is time well spent.
Protected witnesses deposed against him, my lord.
Yes.
They want
No,
to
no, no.
take
I
over-
want to show protected
destroy the
witness.
ordnance factory.
Please have, my lords, 539. Please have 539 for him.
205.
Lords, 539 just for a moment.
205, 206, bottom two lines.
Just please see 539 for a moment. Just please see 539, 538, Annex P58. Now this is their protected witness. And please see what he deposes in court. 538, Annex P58. Last paragraph.
Our case is.
I
this
just not a
witness
moment,
was
Mr.
final.
Raju.
They
Just
want the witness
I'm
to
addressing.
report.
I'm addressing. At this stage, the prosecution protected witness F appeared without any security and submitted an application that requesting that he is a resident of Jabalpur. He had received summons from court today. He expressed that fears of his life that the NIA people might take him away and requested to be provided with security. NIA people are pressurizing him to give false testimony and he does not want to testify under NIA their pressure. NIA should be directed not to harass him unnecessarily, not to call him, not to beat, assault him as was allegedly done in the past.
Witnesses for the moment, how do you explain the recoveries?
There is no recovery except Islamic literature.
And you have formed a WhatsApp group.
So,
Flag
Lords-
identical to that of ISIS. What is the intention behind that?
Because your lordships are well aware, under conspiracy there is an exception. It says mere planning is not. Something more has to be done. If I keep thinking in my head, my lords, that I have to blow up a particular place or etc.
You have been, the charge has been framed against you.
Yes, my
So
lords.
that's a prima facie case, more than a prima facie
No,
case.
prima facie, but I'm asking for bail. my
What is
lords.
the stage
Prima
of
facie.
trial?
17 witnesses
19
have been
witnesses
examined
out of 60.
out of 94.
So now we have thrown it to 62. Trial is
62.
going
And
at a
2.5 years I've been in custody now on a premise, my lords, that there is something that has happened, but please see that
You are
explanation to
trying to
128, my
create
lords.
a ring of terror in the country.
The
Sorry.
ring
You
of
are
terror
creating
has to lead to
turbulence and
something, my lords.
instability in the country, which is
Something has to happen. If I,
No,
that
no,
is the
preparation
explanation.
is an
If
offence.
I have
Preparation is an offence under
something
UAP.
more,
UAP.
no RDX, no
Those are the
explosive
backup.
material, nothing has been recovered from
Nikhe
him.
bhai, we are not inclined to entertain
He is 70% disabled. What?
This
He is
petition
70%
for,
disabled. No.
Mentally or physically?
prayer for
I
bail.
think
temporarily when the matter comes up.
However, considering the facts and circumstances of the case and that fact that the petitioner has been in custody for more than 2.5 years,
yes, my lord.
and further that 17 out of
19 out of 60.
19 out of
62.
62,
64.
64 witnesses.
There are 94 cited.
We have proved
but-
it, my
We
statement.
will make that clear.
Yes, my lord.
19 out of 64 witnesses have already been examined,
Be examined.
proposed to be examined by the prosecution. Although 94 are mentioned in the charge sheet, comma, we direct the trial court to conclude the trial within a period of 2 years. It goes without saying that the prosecution and the defense shall extend all cooperation in the trial. In case the trial is not concluded within the aforesaid period, for no fault attributable to the petitioner, it would be open for the petitioner to revive his prayer for bail.
Grateful.
Except one thing, if it's on medical, it can be considered.
No.
70% disclose. If there may be a medical
Next
evidence,
case.
once this is passed, they can't, the trial court won't even consider
Not in the
medical
case,
even if he's suffering a heart attack in jail.
Next case.
Watch it, please.
20 people may die.
No one died.
May I please your lordship?
The room is